Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to add calculator, calendar, equalizer and notes in quick settings panel of Android smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application name as notification quick toggle access. Under first list you will see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. So now just click on this notification service option, click on allow, click on while using the app, click on allow again. So now here you will see calculator, calendar, equalizer and notes. So you need to manually enable all these options one by one. So just turn it on. Now you can see here we have added a calculator on the quick settings panel. So you can enable the calendar as well. So you can see here you can enable the equalizer as well, and you can enable the notes as well. So by using this application named as notification quick tool access, you can easily add calculator, calendar, equalizer and notes in quick settings panel of Android smartphone very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.